Hey guys, today we are making a quick chicken and guacamole bruschetta. So let's first get started with preparing our chicken. So the chicken in this recipe is going to be poached. So we're going to poach it and then shred it up and then top it onto our sandwich. So to poach your chicken, you're going to first need a large pot, and let's fill this up with some water. Now add the chicken to the water, and mind you, the water is cold or room temperature, and we'll turn on the heat once the chicken is in. So we'll season our chicken with a bit of salt and then turn the heat up to medium. Now as the water comes up to a boil, we'll cover that pot and wait for that to happen. Now once the water comes up to a boil, make sure to turn the heat down to low and then cover the pot, and we'll cook this for about 18 to 20 minutes. Now this quick poached chicken is a really bare bones recipe. You can really make things much more exciting and tastier if you choose to use chicken broth or vegetable broth instead of water. And you can also add in garlic, onions, shallots, fresh herbs and spices, and really make that broth, that liquid that the chicken is going to cook in, full of flavors, so that when it cooks, all those flavors go in to your chicken. Now the chicken will take any time between 16 to 20 minutes, and in the meanwhile we can get all the other ingredients prepped up. So that includes the guacamole, make sure our bread is all in order, and grate your cheese if you're not using sliced cheese like I am today. So first, let's do the guacamole. So it's been about 18 to 20 minutes and the chicken now looks nicely cooked. As you try to slowly squeeze it, it'll have a bit of a spring back, just like any other cooked chicken breast. There's also another trick you can use to check if it's cooked, other than cutting it or slicing it to check for any pinkness. So what you can do is just lightly poke the chicken with your finger, and if you notice a spring back, the chicken pushing back, you're good to go. Now shredding is pretty intuitive. Just grab 2 forks and pull apart the shreds of chicken. You'll notice quickly that chicken likes to pull apart one direction more than another. And that's how you get those long shreds of chicken. So now is the fun part. Let's heat up our grill pan and start making our bruschetta. So our grill pan here is nice and warm, and we're gonna do everything right on the grill pan. Here's our bread. Let's put a few slices right on. So the pan is on medium heat, and that should be just enough to get these lightly toasted by the time we're done cooking. Also, this is a good time to turn on the broiler. Now, put a spoonful of guac on each one of those slices. You can use your favorite slice of bread, whatever you like. One of my favorites is a sourdough, and that's what I'll be using today. So now just spread this out. You can add more if you want, but this is just enough to really balance off the other flavors. Now get some tongs and we'll top our chicken. So just like that, just make a thin layer of our chicken here. Next I'm going to add some cheddar, and I'm using some old yellow cheddar, which is one of my favorites, and it really helps to flavor that chicken with that guac really helping out from the bottom. Now transfer the pan under the broiler for a few seconds or until the cheese melts. So take the pan off of the broiler. As you can see, the cheese is nicely melted and it's nice and soft. Now all we have to do is top it with some tomatoes and cilantro. That's it. Here I have a mixture of some tomatoes, onion and chili. So I decided to go with this instead. But you can choose whatever combination you want. Some people don't like raw onions that much, or the flavor of fresh raw chilies. So just add fresh tomatoes. It's gonna add some nice sweetness and everybody's gonna be happy. And now finally a nice sprinkling of fresh cilantro. So now all that's left to do is plate it. So here's our beautiful, beautiful pan. If you take a look, a peek at the bottom, it's nicely toasted and crusty. And it took almost no effort. By the time we were done assembling our sandwich, it basically did it itself. Now doesn't that look beautiful? It's just as tasty, and I'm gonna give it a quick taste test so you can see exactly how tasty this is. Now I know you can't taste it, but you can see me taste it, which is gonna make you wanna eat it. So let's go. Now I know you heard that crunch, that crispy toasted bread, which is delicious. And with sourdough, it's even better. And the beauty of this recipe is how quickly and easily it comes together. It may seem fancy if you look at it now, but a few moments earlier was just guacamole, some shredded boiled poached chicken, and some tomatoes and cheese. It's really beautiful how it comes together and makes this wonderful quick sandwich. If you want more recipes just like this and the full recipe description for the guacamole, poached chicken, and the guacamole and chicken bruschetta, be sure to hit up cookingwithanadi.com. It's my new site and it's full of great content just like this. If you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that bell icon and subscribe to my channel. I really would like to see that ding, and leave your comments and your thoughts down below. Give me a big thumbs up if you want more videos just like this, and I'll keep making them. Until then, I'll see you guys again on the next one, and you keep cooking.